Long ago, humans lived in darkness, cold and afraid.
One day, lightning struck, and fire was born. They saw it, powerful, bright, and dangerous. Soon, they learned to carry fire with them.
Fire made food softer, safer, and tastier.
Keep back!
It's there, I can see its eyes.
The fire will protect us.
Fire helped them build tools and grow stronger.
Around fire, they shared stories and became a family.
Today, fire still serves us in new ways.
From survival to civilization, fire changed everything.